Welcome back to another exciting edition of Dream Spaces by RenovationX.ae. Today, we're thrilled to transform a living room into the ultimate aesthetic and cozy haven. If you're ready to witness an incredible makeover, stick around till the end, you're going to love this. Before we jump into the transformation, let's take a moment to discuss why your living room matters so much. It's the heart of your home, where memories are made, stories are shared, and relaxation takes center stage. With the expertise of RenovationX, our mission today is to craft a space that not only looks stunning but feels like a warm embrace every time you step in. And don't forget, if you're enjoying our makeover series, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on more design inspiration. Now, let's get started. Step 1, setting the vision. Every great makeover starts with a vision. For this living room, our goal was to blend warmth with elegance, combining earthy tones, soft textures, and minimalist decor. We imagined a space where you could curl up with a book or host friends with equal ease. Now let's break down the process. Remember, it's not about following trends, it's about creating a space that feels like you. Step 2, clearing and preparing the canvas. Before adding the magic, it's crucial to clear out the chaos. A clean slate is the first step to redefining any space. And here's a tip, don't be afraid to part with items that no longer serve the vibe you're going for. Decluttering is therapeutic and sets the stage for creativity. Thanks to us, RenovationX, we've streamlined this process to perfection. Step 3, choosing the palette. We've decided on a palette of soft beige, creamy whites, and accents of sage green. These tones are timeless, versatile, and instantly cozy. Always test your colors under natural light to see how they'll truly appear in your space. Step 4, furnishing with purpose. The furniture sets the foundation of your space. We opted for a mid-century modern sofa with plush cushions and paired it with a textured jute rug to balance elegance with comfort. Don't forget functionality. A coffee table with hidden storage and modular seating can be game changers. RenovationX is here to help you source these beautiful pieces. Layers are what make a living room truly inviting. Think soft throws, a mix of textured cushions, and sheer curtains for that perfect glow during the day. Always mix patterns and textures but stick to your color scheme to keep things cohesive. Lighting can transform the mood of any room. We've added warm pendant lights, a statement floor lamp, and, of course, a few candles for those cozy evenings. Now for the fun part, styling. We brought in lush green plants, minimalistic art, and a few personal mementos to make the space uniquely ours. Remember, it's the small details, like a beautiful vase or a stack of books, that add character and charm. And there you have it. A living room makeover that's equal parts aesthetic and cozy. It's a space that's not just beautiful but also feels like home. If you've enjoyed this transformation as much as we enjoyed creating it, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with friends. Your support keeps us inspired to bring you more amazing makeovers. And before we go, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite cozy element in your own living room? We'd love to hear from you. A huge thanks to you for staying with RenovationX on this journey. Their expertise truly brought our vision to life. Until next time, keep dreaming and designing your perfect space. Take care, and see you soon. Visit our luxury showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, to experience our latest living room innovations firsthand. Touch the premium materials, test our smart fixtures, and see why Dubai's elite choose RenovationX. Schedule your private consultation today at 0488 28933 or visit RenovationX.ae. For daily inspiration, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at RenovationX, where we showcase our latest luxury transformations. Join our prestigious client list and experience the difference that true luxury makes. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Something extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Dubai's top living room remodeling services.